Hedera Hashgraph, HBAR. All right, we thought this pullback was over at 11 and a half. All right, it has pulled down here to about 11, right around 11 cents. Okay, now is this a bottom in here? All right, we're expecting it, you know, call it a relief bounce, call it whatever you want. You always get a bounce back up. Okay, everybody knows that. Even when the top of Bitcoin comes in, a lot of people wait for the relief bounce to get out. Okay, that's when you know the thing has rolled over, you put a fib on it. You wait for the 618 to come in, boom, and you sell and get out. Okay, that's what a lot of people do. All right, so let's take a look at a few things here with HBAR, and I got some very, very important stuff to show you here over here with the market. All right, Bitcoin itself is going to have a bounce here. It looks like right up here to about 65,500 bucks. All right, that is your 618 area. Let's get this on here, right? There we go. All right, that is right around your 618 area here, this box, and 702. If it breaks 66,000, it has a closing daily candle, not a wick. All right, a closing daily candle above that, I would think that the correction's over. If it gets rejected here, then it's coming down to about 61, or this blue line right here. Okay, that would complete A, B up to there, and then your C down to 61. All right, that would be an ABC pattern. And not only that, it looks like inside of that ABC pattern, you could possibly have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 waves down here. All right, so we'll keep a close eye on that. Watch for a break of that 65,500. Now I get some other a couple other important things to show you. Bitcoin dominance is also has a falling wedge going on here. Falling wedges 8 out of 10 times break to the upside. What do you got? If you trade, this is like a perfect trade. All right, you got the breakout. You wait for the retest of the breakout area down here. You enter the trade here, and then you go. All right. Normally these things break to the upside. So if Bitcoin dominance breaks to the upside, that means the altcoins. That means an altcoin pullback, obviously. All right. One more thing to show you: USDT dominance. This is super important. Okay. Let me pull down with this here. There we go, right there. Look at this thing. This is also, let me pull this out. Let's go out to 12-hour. How about a daily? I mean, this thing is so close to breaking this big, huge resistance line. All right, right here. Look at this line. All right, now if USDT dominance means people are getting into stable coins. All right, it means obviously people are selling crypto. You have the daily RSI swinging back up here. If this thing breaks out of here, you know it could run hard. This is like a beautiful trade. You wait for the breakout of this here, and you get a big move normally. All right, USDT dominance works like any other chart. All right, just let's go out on a weekly. Just like any other chart. Okay, right down here you can see these lines, resistance breakout, resistance breakout. It works just like any other chart. All right, these are the things you trade here. Look at this big long resistance, and look at this big huge push. All right, you look for resistance like this. If you're interested in learning that stuff, guys, level 3 membership is $14.99. You get 22 videos, over 9 hours of videos to get you started trading. And then we have a link to the Discord in there where we leverage trade over there every day. All right, we were just in an ape trade out over there, and now we're in an AGIX trade. So come check it out. We have over 200 members over there, almost 5,000 subs and growing, and I can't thank the members enough. You guys are the best in the world, man. I got the best crew ever. You guys make me want to do these videos. So let's take a look at Hedera. All right, if we put a fib on this from the bottom to the top, we're getting to areas that look at this 786. Man, oh man, that's beautiful. That is where you want. If you're looking to enter a token or whatever stock, crypto, A 786 pullback is the perfect entry. That's what you look for. I'm gonna have to look into this thing a little bit deeper, and possibly take a long here. Now, do we have the RSIs heading that way? We have the 4-hour right at the bottom. The 8-hour is almost there. Okay, the 12-hour is turning up. You can see it curving. All right, and you got your 1-hour. It's bullish, showing a little bit of weakness here, but bullish. All right, now if you're watching this 1-hour, obviously you can see it plain as day. You got a resistance line right down through here, and it looks like it's broken that resistance. Okay, probably retesting right now. If you zoom in closer, even on a 15-minute. Look at that. Let's get this off here. I really thought that was a bottom there, but everything, yeah, Bitcoin, Bitcoin pulls back. Everything pulls back. Let's get this line on here a little bit better. Yeah, somewhere down through here. Let's take these two touches here. All right, you do have a breakout of that line. Looks like a retest right here, and it's probably going to take off. Now, Hedera, the bigger move, what we're looking for here and watching for is a retracement to the 618, okay, which will get us a bounce. And Bitcoin looks like it's going to bounce. It looks, up to that 65.5. What will that do? That'll make everything else bounce, okay? The 618 is up here at 15.4, and you have your 702 at 16 cents. I really, really strongly think this is a bottom. All right, the 786, let's do this as tight as we can, is down just a hair more right there. Does that line up with any major weekly support levels? Yeah, sure does, right through here. All right, so 10.7, if it gets down there, it probably isn't going to. Right there is probably the bottom. That's probably it. It's not going to go below that 10.7. All right, that would break structure here. That would break that 786. I mean, if you pulled the fib down a little bit deeper, but no, the start of the wave is right there. Okay, I totally believe that is going to hold, and this is where we're going to bounce from. All right, watch up here when we get up to these levels. This is going to be the area, and I don't know how fast it'll get up there. I have no idea, how fast this Bitcoin's going to move. Bitcoin could take a couple days to get up there. All right, but that 618 and 702 is your area that you definitely want to keep an eye on. Now, if we get rejected in that area, right up here, right there, okay, that's the box, 13.7 to 14.5, right there. That's the area you want to keep an eye on. You don't want to see a rejection here. That would mean a big ABC pattern, just like everything else, and that very well could happen. What would that bring it down to? Well, if it got rejected there, that would bring it down 6.5 cents. Let's check that out on a weekly. All kinds of support like that. Wow, that could be our and it's very, very possible, guys, if we get a rejection up here. Okay, not starting fear and FUD and all that. I'm gonna have people say, oh, you're crazy to go down there. I'm just showing you what the chart says. All right, the charts don't lie. They're 100% correct all the time. I mean, they either get trying to get this exactly on here, they are right all the time. All right, so if it breaks through 14, call it 15 cents. If it breaks through 15 cents, there's a daily close on there, and the thing's heading higher. All right, then it's heading up the next target up there. Whoops, let's see here. Apologize. Let me get this on here and see. Next target would be up to about 22.5 cents. All right, whoops, I'm sorry, I gotta pull this up, guys. Jeez, oh man, I hope nobody left the video here. That 618, I apologize, is up here. and 702. I was looking at that retracement, the 786 and everything. I'm sorry, I still had that on there. You probably think I'm a dummy. Really, stick with me, guys. I'm a really good dude. I have your best interests in mind, believe me. All right, so 16 cents up here. A break of 16 and a half, 17 cents. We get up into that area, then you're looking at 22. If we break down here, all right, now let's measure this out. That would be a move down here, all right, to about 8 cents. I apologize. 8 cents, okay, if it ABCs. Let's look at weekly areas here. Yeah, you got some support here that it could hit. How about on a monthly? You got some wicks up there. Yeah, you got a support here. Possible. We'll see what happens. Keep an eye on this on that box up there. That is a super important area. Put your Fibonacci on there from the top to the bottom, and watch. You need a break of 16 and a half on a daily close, not a wick, and this correction would be over. But if we get rejected at 15 to 15 and a half cents, that's the 618, and start rolling over, then we're having an ABC down to about 8 cents. All right, guys, thank you so much. Please consider a membership. $14.99 supports the channel. We'd love to have you come over and start trading with us. Have a great day, everybody.